Oh my god, I stepped on poop. We set a trap because apparently there's been this creature, I'm assuming it's a rat, that's been eating the dog food somewhere in the back. So hopefully we'll find the truth. So normally I don't vlog at night, but yeah, I don't know, every time this happens, the dogs apparently seem to hear something that startles them. Oh, I think it appears to be the dogs from over there, but who knows. Dang, girl, you got that cake. Who knows? Let's see what tomorrow brings. Right. Dang it, we didn't get it. Where is it? No. Wow, what a rip. You okay, bro? Here's the stuff that I bought. Well, I'm about to buy actually. Okay, so we are at the gas station right now. We're basically gonna put out gas. While we do that, how about we talk about upcoming videos for my vlog. I know the last video I did, I think was what? My sister's birthday to be exact. Yeah. I know what you're thinking, but golly, why didn't you do one based on your birthday? You see, I was kind of busy. I think I mentioned this before, to be exact. Yeah. No, did I? You see, I kind of regret doing vlogs, especially during this time. I wish that I had done this before, like last year and all that. I believe they probably would have been more interesting. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not really but like, I promise guys, hopefully once this virus slowly dies down, I'll probably be more, you know, filming other places, you know, because I know you probably see like the same things over and over again, but you know, I try to make something out of it, so why not, right? Probably. We got the wood right here. We're gonna set it up soon. All right. Once again, Spotty the dog, bring your white butt over here right now. Spotty! Perro. That's a girl dog. Yep. Aww. Hi, Scrappy. Wait, where's Scooby? Oh. Hello. Play.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, stepped on poop.
Nice. So, look at that. They're in hell. Whoa, okay there. Ooh, so far. Your chocolate, Jeji? Wait, where is it? Oh, where is it? Sorry, Spot, you can't have any chocolate. Chocolate kills dogs. Very cold right now. Well, it's not cold, more like chilly. There you go. Well, but it isn't Jeremiah. This is coming on my YouTube video. Vlog, actually.
Your YouTube video?
Yep.
Hey guys, make sure to check me out. Fantastico7 on Xbox. If you follow Golly, follow me there, you know.
Alright. So, we're selling Jack. Really?
Stop!
No.
I was your first subscriber.
Wait, where are you? Okay, so these folks are already leaving, so whatever. Boo at Jeremy, boo, boo, get out of here, get out. Right there. suckers.
Put them in the oven.
I did not sign up. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more content. Signing out.